In the coastal town of Seaford, there lived a young boy named Bob. He had always dreamed of sailing the vast ocean and exploring far-off lands. But his family, who relied on their fishing trade, discouraged his aspirations, fearing the dangers that awaited him. Undeterred, Bob spent his days by the harbor, gazing longingly at the ships that set sail into the horizon. He listened intently to tales of daring adventurers and imagined himself embarking on thrilling voyages. Deep down, he knew that his destiny lay on the open seas. One stormy night, a fierce tempest ravaged the town, wreaking havoc on the boats and the spirits of the villagers. The harbor was left in shambles, and many livelihoods were destroyed. Amidst the chaos, Bob's determination solidified. He would become a sailor and bring prosperity back to Seaford. With the little savings he had, Bob purchased a small, weathered sailboat. The townsfolk scoffed at his audacity, but Bob remained resolute. He spent months repairing and equipping his boat, ensuring it was seaworthy for his upcoming adventure. The day finally arrived when Bob set sail, bidding farewell to his family and friends. His heart swelled with a mixture of excitement and apprehension as he navigated the treacherous waters. He faced turbulent storms and relentless waves, but his determination pushed him forward. Weeks turned into months as Bob's voyage took him to uncharted territories. He encountered exotic islands with lush greenery, encountered fascinating wildlife, and discovered hidden caves filled with ancient treasures. Each day brought new challenges and discoveries, shaping him into a seasoned sailor. News of Bob's exploits spread like wildfire, reaching even the most distant shores. His bravery and unwavering spirit inspired countless others to chase their own dreams. The people of Seaford, once skeptical, grew to admire and respect Bob for his resilience and determination. After years of sailing, Bob returned to Seaford, his boat laden with exotic goods and tales of his adventures. The once desolate harbor teemed with life as merchants and traders flocked to witness the return of the local hero. The town's prosperity was restored, and Bob's family beamed with pride, realizing the depth of their son's courage. But Bob couldn't ignore the restlessness that tugged at his heart. Despite the comfort and admiration he found in Seaford, the call of the open seas remained strong. He yearned for new horizons, uncharted territories yet to be explored. With the support and blessings of his family and the townsfolk, Bob embarked on another grand expedition. This time, he set sail with a larger crew and a sturdier ship, ready to face the unknown once again. As Bob's vessel glided through the vast ocean, they encountered breathtaking landscapes and encountered diverse cultures. They navigated treacherous storms, braved dangerous currents, and explored uncharted islands. Bob's leadership and experience proved invaluable, earning him the respect and admiration of his crew. During their voyage, Bob stumbled upon a forgotten map, an ancient parchment said to lead to a mythical land rumored to hold unimaginable riches. Intrigued by the possibility of unraveling this mystery, Bob steered the ship towards the uncharted waters. The journey was filled with perilous challenges and tests of courage. They faced mysterious creatures, overcame treacherous obstacles, and deciphered cryptic clues. The crew's unwavering loyalty and Bob's unwavering determination propelled them forward. Finally, after months of arduous travel, they arrived at the mythical land, a place of extraordinary beauty and untold wonders. It was a utopian paradise, untouched by time, where nature thrived in perfect harmony. Bob and his crew marveled at the breathtaking landscapes, sparkling waterfalls, and vibrant wildlife that surrounded them. But the true treasure they discovered was not material wealth, it was the profound sense of awe and humility that washed over them. They realized that the greatest riches were not found in gold and gems, but in the bonds forged through shared experiences, in the marvels of the natural world, and in the indomitable human spirit. With their hearts full and their spirits lifted, Bob and his crew returned to Seaford, where they were hailed as heroes once again. Their tales of the mythical land inspired a renewed sense of wonder and exploration among the townsfolk, encouraging them to embrace the unknown and seek their own extraordinary destinies. After returning to Seaford from his incredible adventures, Bob found himself longing for the vastness of the ocean once again. The allure of the unknown called to him, and he knew that there were still unexplored depths waiting to be discovered. With the support and admiration of the townsfolk, Bob set out on yet another expedition, this time accompanied by a crew of experienced sailors who had been inspired by his tales. They sailed toward distant lands, seeking new adventures and treasures. During their journey, they encountered fierce storms that tested their mettle and navigated treacherous waters with expert precision. Along the way, they stumbled upon an ancient map, a map that hinted at a hidden island rumored to hold extraordinary secrets. Driven by curiosity and a thirst for discovery, Bob and his crew followed the map's intricate markings, venturing into uncharted territory. After days of searching, they stumbled upon a remote island, seemingly untouched by time. At the heart of the island, they discovered a mystical clearing, bathed in the soft glow of sunlight filtering through the dense canopy of trees. And there, nestled in the center of the clearing, stood a golden crate, a relic of legends, said to possess extraordinary powers. Bob approached the crate with a mix of anticipation and caution. As he gently opened it, a brilliant light burst forth, illuminating the entire clearing. When the light subsided, they found themselves surrounded by an enchanting aura. Inside the golden crate, they discovered not material riches, but a collection of ancient scrolls containing profound wisdom and knowledge. The scrolls revealed the secrets of the universe, the mysteries of the human spirit, and the keys to unlocking one's true potential. Filled with awe and reverence, Bob and his crew immersed themselves in the teachings of the scrolls. They gained insights into the interconnectedness of all things, the importance of love and compassion, and the limitless possibilities that lie within each individual. Armed with newfound wisdom and a deep sense of purpose, Bob and his crew returned to Seaford as bearers of enlightenment. They shared the ancient teachings with the townsfolk, inspiring a collective quest for knowledge, compassion, and personal growth. Seaford transformed into a hub of learning and enlightenment, attracting scholars, seekers, and dreamers from far and wide. Bob became a revered figure, guiding others on their journey of self-discovery and empowering them to unleash their inner potential. The golden crate became a symbol of hope and inspiration, reminding everyone that true treasures were not found in material wealth alone but in the pursuit of knowledge, the cultivation of compassion, and the realization of one's purpose. And so, Bob's journeys became the stuff of legend, forever etching his name in the annals of maritime history. His legacy lived on, reminding all who heard his tales that life's true adventures awaited those who possessed the courage to chase their dreams, explore the unknown, and discover the magic that lay just beyond the horizon.